मुझ जैसे सिनेमा से जुड़े प्रोफेशनल्स जो एक हफ्ते में 3 से 5 मूवीज देखा करते हैं, साल की 250-300 फिल्में, शोज, लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस, इवेंट्स, टू द पॉइंट दैट मीडियोकर स्टफ जस्ट बिगिंस टू ब्लेंड इनटू वन ब्लॉब ऑन योर कैलेंडर एज सॉलिटरी टाइम स्पेंट अवे फ्रॉम ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन, हम सभी को, हर एक को याद है 100% सबसे पहली फिल्म सिनेमा हॉल में कौन सी देखी थी, कब, कहां, एंड व्हाट दैट फेल्ट लाइक। 1994, हम आपके हैं कौन, चाणक्य सिनेमा इन दिल्ली व्हेन इट वाज स्टिल अ सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर, उम्र 6 साल शायद। हे ऑल, माय नेम इज सुचारता। ये मेरा चैनल है जहां अब सारे मेरे मूवी रिव्यूज और जल्द ही और इंटरव्यूज एटसेट्रा भी पब्लिश हुआ करेंगे। इफ यू लाइक्ड माय वर्क पहले, थैंक यू। अगर आप नए आए हैं, वेलकम। आगे बढ़ने से पहले रिक्वेस्ट, नीचे जो लाल वाला सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है उसको क्लिक करिए। कूल। Today we're talking about India's official submission to the Best International Feature category at the next Oscars, Pan Nalan की गुजराती फिल्म छेल्लो शो आज से मूवी थिएटर्स में।
ભવિષ્યના બધા માલિકો વાર્તાકારો છે।
This film plays out like Pan Nalan's personal memory of what a small town where he once perhaps lived was like. It's not an extensive world, and only the areas which matter to this memory exist. You see this world only as a spectre, an apparition of a town almost, limited to the cognitive boundaries of a young boy named Samay, as far as his understanding of what's important in the world extends. A small home with an open kitchen where a very beautiful mother cooks a perfectly cast richa meena using an unending supply of spices and vegetables. A tiny rudimentary railway station where his father, played by Dipen Rawal, sells chai, incoming trains with passengers who this kid sells the chai to, and a road connecting his home to the station. His community starts and ends with the boys जिनके साथ स्कूल में जाता है और स्टेशन पे मस्ती करता है, until one day फैमिली के साथ थिएटर में वो फिल्म देखकर आता है and suddenly like magic his world opens up. घर की पगडंडी से निकलकर बॉम्बे के मरीन ड्राइव पहुंचने का सपना begins to take shape which he himself doesn't quite comprehend.
તમે લોકો ચોર છો ને?
छेल्लो शो जाहिर सी बात है मेजरली इंस्पायर्ड है बाय सिनेमा पैराडीसो। It's not a remake, it's not a copy, but it's not a very clever homage either. दोनों फिल्मों का हार्ट और सोल सेम है, लेकिन इंटरनेट पे पेन पैल्स की तरह कल्चरल कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड द नीड टू रीच आउट टू द वर्ल्ड अलग। भावन राबड़ी एज समय इज द सोल ऑफ छेल्लो शो। उसके साथ व्यूअर्स आर रिमाइंडेड दैट सिनेमा की कैपेबिलिटी क्या है। फिल्म अच्छी हो या खराब, क्रिटिकली अक्लेम्ड या पैंड, हिंदी या भोजपुरी, मसाला या धार्मिक, मूविंग इमेजेस, साउंड एंड लाइट हैव द एबिलिटी टू एन्चैंट, सेंड द व्यूअर इनटू अ ट्रांस एंड गेट देम टू डू योर बिडिंग। व्हाट डज इट मीन टू गिव समवन दैट काइंड ऑफ पावर एंड इन्फ्लुएंस ओवर यू? Chello Show is earnest and sweet and moving because it takes you back to, you know, hum aapke hain kaun at Chanakya Cinema. But it also tends to get caught up in its own endeavor to be an homage to filmmaking and the great storytellers of the medium.
અને વાર્તામાં જ ફિલ્મ.
While we stay with Samay and his adorable little friends trying to make their own movie cameras and movies, the movie's bleeding heart is visible, a pain palpable. From the slow realization that for Samay to have the means to make more of his life, he will have to become that uprooted generation forced to leave their homes in search for greener pastures, to his quickly quashed romanticism of cinema as old movie projectors are melted in a blinding furnace and turned into spoons. Like I said, the movie's heart is visible. An Amitabh-loving movie projectionist becomes a coolie to make ends meet. The film's questioning the fallacy of celebrity worship. Pan Nalan exposes a raw, throbbing nerve. You can feel the pulsation as gradually Samay's helplessness turns into resolve born out of passion. A bunch of shirtless young boys splicing reels to make their own movies to a horde of shirtless men working in a furnace to melt the same reels to make identical, generic, undistinguished but colorful and joyful cheap plastic bangles for women. Pan Nalan is imploring his viewers to feel for the medium with as much suffering and hurt as he does. It's a heartfelt appeal, if tad heavy-handed. Towards the end of the filmmaker goes full emo as a disembodied voice just starts to name famous global filmmakers. He's entering the story, he's occupying the whole frame, inexplicably pushing us out of the reverie he had us in. कोई बात नहीं, मूवी थिएटर्स में है, ऑस्कर पोटेंशियल है या नहीं, that is not our business. You go and you watch आराम से। So on a scale of 1 to 10, Chello Show is 2010, 17 या 13. I was trying to gauge looking at the movie posters कि कब ये film set है, but I couldn't figure. If I missed a detail, please comments में बताइए and subscribe कर लीजिए channel को. This week we are also talking about the Ayushmann Khurrana starrer Dr. G and Hari Sandhu Parineeti Chopra starrer Operation Tiranga. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.